One owner, 59,000 miles and 10 services. If you're looking for a genuine L405 Range Rover, then this is the car for you. It's perfectly spec'd in Santorini Black with a complementing black leather interior, and it's the SDV8 Autobiography. And the thing that sticks out with this car isn't just the specification, it's the ownership history. In 14 years, it has had one owner, meaning the V5 shows 0 former keepers. Now, to find a Range Rover of this year with 0 former keepers on the V5 is incredibly rare, and we can see they looked after this car exceptionally well. 59,000 miles and 10 services makes this a perfectly kept car. And that is a perfect example of what you want to see with a Range Rover of this caliber. Under the bonnet is Range Rover's superb 4.4 litre V8. Now, it's mated with an 8-speed automatic gearbox to give you all the driving capability you would ever want from a Range Rover. Now, this is actually the car to have for a Range Rover fanatic because it has that all-impressive V8 engine. Now, moving on to the exterior. Well, we all know that Santorini Black, it's synonymous with Range Rovers and it looks classy and elegant. What's really nice about this car is it has never been modified. It is as it left the factory with 22-inch turbine alloy wheels. They look incredible and they're actually mated with these incredible Continental tyres all the way around, just showing how this car has been cared for lovingly by its previous owner. Now, moving inside, you can see why this car is an Autobiography and sits very top of the range within Range Rover. This Autobiography is beautiful inside. It exudes luxury and uses all the premium materials, including a leather headliner. This example benefits from an awful lot of technology, especially from a 2014 car. Now, you can tell this car was truly top of the range and still is with all the features that it has. So first of all, we have the body-colored split steering wheel, which is a beautiful addition to the interior. We then have all the multifunctional controls on the steering wheel, which allow you to use your hands-free and heat your steering wheel, as well as your speed limiter, and of course the all-important gear shifters here for if you need to make an overtake. We then move on to the dashboard. Now, prominently, this car has 360-degree cameras. It has AC, which currently is blowing very, very cool. And in here, we also have heated and cooled seats with the massage function. So this car really exudes luxury. Most notably, it also has Meridian Sound system throughout, that all-important folding panoramic sunroof, and rear entertainment for the family. Now, what's incredible about this is it also comes with the original Range Rover headphones. As you would expect with a Range Rover Autobiography, it sits way above the rest when it comes to luxury, refinement, class, and elegance. A personal favourite of mine is definitely that split tailgate, telling you you are in the top-of-the-line Range Rover. Step inside and you can see exactly why this Range Rover is the top of the lineup. It's as comfortable today as it was when it left the showroom. And that's a really key point with this car, originality. This car is fully original and as it left the factory, whereas many L405s that you'll see on the market today have either been modified, tinkered with, or have more keepers than you'd like to think of. This car is exactly as Range Rover always intended. It's exactly like when it left the factory, both with its Santorini black exterior, black leather interior, and those 22-inch turbine alloy wheels, which I think creates the perfect specification. And well, obviously the previous owner thought that in the way they cared for it. This car wasn't simply used, this has been cared for lovingly and really has created one of the best example Range Rovers I've seen today. So what does that V8 mean for you? Well, it means this car will be perfect on both the motorway and country roads. It's got all the torque you'd ever need and it's got all the poke you'd ever need. So this car truly becomes something wonderful to drive. And as you would expect with any Range Rover, the characteristics are exactly what you'd think. Incredibly quiet and refined inside with the luxurious leathers and interior. You've even got a leather headliner in this vehicle and the panoramic sunroof, right down to the torque and off-road capabilities that you could use. And to top that off, you've got massage seats and heated and cooled seats. So it really is the perfect bundle of luxury at this price point. As well as a beautifully spec car, this car will also come with a fresh service. Now that includes the oil, filters and the transfer box oil, as well as being checked over by a Land Rover specialist to create what I think is a Range Rover most enthusiasts would be scouring for. 59,000 miles, one previous owner, and 10 services. If you're interested in this vehicle, please contact Overrange Automotive via the link below.